UK Immigration ID Check. Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to fix UK Immigration ID Check application lock for 24 hours. So let's get started. You have many solutions. The solution number 1 is wait for 24 hour lock to expire. The lock cannot be skipped or bypassed. You must wait until the full 24-hour cooldown ends before trying again. Then when you are trying again, make sure you are entering the correct email and password. If you cannot remember your password, restate it on the official website before trying again. You can also restart the application and your device. Close the application completely, then restart your phone, then open the application again and try logging in with correct password and email. Solution number 4, you just have to update the application, install the latest version from the Google Play Store if you're an Android user or Apple App Store if you're an iPhone user. Check your internet connection, use a stable, strong connection. If possible, try switching devices to see if the issue continues. And that's all. That's how you will be able to fix your UK immigration ID check application lock issue.